Hello, entrepreneurs and money makers. It's Coco Wade. Welcome back to my channel, Succeed and Get Money, where we're helping you as entrepreneurs, startups, and business owners grow and build your business to sustain longevity. I am the cash flow catalyst, and I want to share with you how I've maintained passive income and establishing multiple businesses over a term of 15 years and counting. With no further ado, you guys, we're going to talk about in this video 5 passive income ideas that can make you money daily. Yes, daily. So if you want to make money in your sleep, you're in the right place. I'm going to give you 5 ideas and tips that I know for sure work, and how I know I've tried many of them myself, and I am still accruing multiple streams of income through some of these very same ideas. All right. Now, if you like the content that I'm providing in this video, please show me some love, hit that like button. Better yet, set your notifications, subscribe to my channel so that you can get weekly tips on how to succeed and get money. But let's jump right in, everyone. So the first of all of them, I suggest for a passive income stream, how about you start a website for memberships and subscriptions? If you just start a basic click and drag website, maybe a landing page or something of that nature, you can actually get a pool of people to come in and buy content that you create on a monthly membership basis. Now, just because it's monthly doesn't mean you're only going to get paid once a month. Of course, we're talking about daily streams of income, so that when you get a pool of people, let's say, for example, you get 100 people to subscribe or join your membership via your website, okay? If you get 100 people to join and they pay $10 each for this monthly membership, where you're going to sort of feed information to them, something you know a ton of information about, something you feel really confident about, giving them in their step-by-step guides to accomplishing their goals, they'd easily pay you $10. 100 people at $10 for a simple website that is a landing page where you're going to sort of trigger and feed information for them, that equates to $1,000 a month. And that's at minimal. Say if you charge $20 to 100 people, you'd be at $2,000. But you can charge the rate that you think your valuable information should be priced at. But that is an exciting way to get people in your audience network, to make sure and connect with them even on social media, but more importantly, to provide the information that the community needs to grow. So if you decide to do that passive income stream of creating memberships or subscriptions via a website, that is going to be an amazing way to make money daily through passive income streams. Now, I do want to create a video specifically telling you how to do it in a step-by-step guide. If that's something you're interested in, please let me know in the comments and we'll do just that. All right, so moving on to the next one. I always recommend this. This is the #1 trending thing to do, right? So selling ebooks or low content books, and even digital content and broken down formats, right? So like if you're interested in having a stream of income that's passive, making money all the time and doing little to no work, all you have to do is just create an ebook, right? And it's easier than you think. It's really not something that is going to take over your schedule or pull you away from everything. Like all you have to do is carve out time, my friends, to create an ebook. All right. It can be a short read, or it can be something that is a novel, or it can be something that you think is sort of educational. But creating that ebook, you're going to do it one time. So whether you take a week or a month or even a year, hopefully not, but whatever time you take, you're only going to create it one time, but you can sell it hundreds of thousands of times. If you continue to push and promote it, you can sell it for a lifetime, that one product. Same thing with low content books. So they really don't have much in them, right? So if you've ever seen a low content book, it could be a notebook. You know, it could be something like a planner or an organizer. But these low content books are selling like hotcakes, and they're so important to people in their organizational development, whether with their business or if they're in school or if they're a mom and they're trying to, keep the house tidy, or if you are a parent and you're trying to give guidance, parental guidance for them, as a community in a village raising kids. these low content books can help with them staying organized and structured or taking notes and planning. So that is a hot commodity right now. If you're interested in that, it's another sort of passive income stream. And let's talk about digital content, which is sort of similar to the ebook, but you're just breaking it down in layers. So if there's something that you want to educate people about, share, enlighten them, whether it's a DIY or if it's something that can be useful to them or educational, knowledge-based and driven from your passion or something you know really well that you're confident about and putting out there, sell it to them in digital content. Like, there are so many ways to skin a cat. And I actually am going to do a video for that, because for that, I want to tell you exactly some suggested softwares that I think you should use, websites and subscriptions that you can actually enlist with and start selling your digital content. This is going to be super exciting. I've done it myself, still doing it, love it. Passive income, succeed and get money. That is why you're here. That's what this is about. And I'm here for it. So let's keep it rolling, you guys. So number 3. So I want to tell you, because I, for one, am a music artist, right? And I sell digital content through music. How? Music distribution. So music releases is also one of the on the cusp things that are breaking down the doors here in economy today. A lot of streaming online. Music is being heard and played now more than ever, and it's continuing to climb. And literally, we're getting more and more options and outlets for making additional streams of income through our music releases that have been digitally released. So I'm loving this world that we're in. I'm loving what's happening right now with all the trends. And I'm here to tell you, digital music releases pay you daily. Every time your audience is listening to the release, you're getting paid for streams. Every time there are downloads or anything like that, you're getting paid for those, for selling your music releases in a digital format. Of course, you can always sell your music, physical CDs and things like that, but the digital space is really what's happening when it comes to passive income. Now, there's also where your music can pay you from so many different levels through digital distribution, royalties, publishing. I mean, come on, guys. If you're an artist, a record label producer, or you desire to be one, like, don't even trip. You can do it. And I actually have a book that's coming out. It's called Music, Money, and Monetization. Make sure, if you're interested in any sort of monetization or digital distribution or selling digital products, you get the book, Music, Money, and Monetization. So the link is going to be in the description for you guys. Just click the link, get the book, and you're on your way to knowing exactly the ins and outs of how I achieve longevity in gaining passive income streams. All right, so I want to keep this thing going. Again, by the way, if you like this video and the content in it, click the like button, you guys, subscribe and set your notifications. I'll keep these videos coming weekly to give you all the tips that you need, tricks on how to succeed and get money. All right, so number 4, you guys, now this is a pretty easy one, and I think you're going to be enlightened by it. So like, you can do print on demand. If you've ever been interested in starting a t-shirt line or maybe even a clothing line, you can print t-shirts on demand. Now, what does that mean? You don't have to buy inventory. You don't have to store inventory. You don't have to invest in the inventory, my friends. To succeed and get money, all you have to do is print on demand. So if you want to sell t-shirts, right? Or if you want to sell joggers or hoodies, or if you want to sell hats or bags and backpacks, you can actually print a graphic design that you create yourself one time, and you can put it on everything. You can put it on that mug. You can put it on that backpack. You can put it on that jogger or hoodie, or most importantly, the t-shirt. And once you have it uploaded to the site, you can sell it over and over and over again from one measly design. Now, here are some tips for sites that I know of that actually allows you to print on demand, and that's Printify and Printful. So if you sign up to either one of those, you can either subscribe. Some will allow you to do a free trial run before a subscription or before opting into a subscription. So that way you can kind of get cozy with it and see if it's user friendly enough to your desires, if you can work with it, or if it's something that you think would be beneficial. But there are so many different sites that you can use for print on demand products. And again, All you got to do is design your actual graphic, and some of the sites will let you design on there. And then sometimes you can upload a ready-made design. But either way, out the park, like you're selling your products and all you're doing is sitting there uploading a design and promoting, right? And then you're getting passive income, because you could be asleep in another part of the world or country and people are still buying your shirts and your hoodies and your products that are print on demand. And all you're doing is collecting, and they're doing the printing, they're doing the shipping, but you're making the money. Passive income, number 4. All right, so number 5, you can actually do a monthly newsletter. If you decide to do a monthly newsletter, now my suggestion for that, and I mean, it really depends on what you like and what works for you and what your money goals are, right? But if you decide to do a monthly newsletter, then what you're doing, it's sort of similar to the subscription or the membership that we talked about earlier, but in a different way. So with a newsletter, you can bring just that news and content. You can update people and enlighten them and spread the word in a monthly write-up. So you basically would take your time and create this once a month piece of content and spread the news or the information to a select group of people, and you can sell it to them either by membership subscription or you can sell it to them pay as you go. But if you do a monthly newsletter, that's your way of expressing your opinion and sharing with people things, for example, parenting again. If you want to cater to a parenting community, then you can actually write the newsletter and target them. And you can put so much information in there, knowledge through firsthand experience or research and studies, right? If you're doing it for travel, then maybe you can target the travel and tourism industry. And that way you can enlighten them on tips for travel, romantic vacations or business travel or family vacations. But if you're having a monthly subscription or a monthly newsletter that they can buy into, then you can get, again, a pool of people that are interested in what you're providing in terms of news announcements and articles, and you can sell it to them because this information is priceless. It saves them time. In a lot of cases, it saves them money, and more importantly, it could save them headaches. So if you're doing the research and you're selling it in a monthly newsletter, bam, you found a way to make passive income through writing one piece of content, sort of product, and putting it out there. And then you can make money daily because those that are subscribing, as you are announcing it and making it available and promoting your newsletter, people are going to be buying at will. And that is another way, my friends, of having passive income that can make you money daily. I hope this video and its content has been useful for you and of value. And I do want you to know that we are here in this community to help you succeed and get money. Thank you so much for watching.
And there you have it. Plant a seed and get growing. Go out there, make a difference, succeed and get money.